Friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you less important updates about Mocoin, its price prediction this year mega bullion because friends finally some recovery in this meme coin. Also you can see 11% pump in last 24 hours because recently BTC again dumped after makes all time high, but right now you can see BTC entire market is also going upward here and Morgan also pump by almost 11% last 24 hours. Current price right now is 0.6 times $0.97. So Ismo coin has still potential to kill at least three zeros. Okay, from its current price or not, because Morgan has already killed three zeros since launching. So it just be very, very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video here. Friends, you see, last Saturday's performance is somehow good because recently we see a massive crash in BTC entire market, but you can see 76% pump, so this is good. $379 million market cap. So friends, market cap is amazing. How you can see, okay, $90.5 million trading volume. Last 24-hour trading volume is good because already listed in Coinbase. Not on Binance yet, but maybe friends it's possible that we can see more on Binance soon. And 420 quadrillion supply and mostly in circulation. You can see 390 trillion circulation. Ethereum and Base ecosystem coin, you can see friends, initially launched in Base, after that in Ethereum also. And a cat theme meme coin, Murad pick 4chan theme. We are right now 75% down this all-time high. That was just 6 months ago, December 7, and 21,000% up than its all-time low. You can see Fresh Coin initially launched with 8 zeros and 3 zeros. Okay, 6 months ago when it was in its all-time high price, it was 0.5 times $4. So maybe right now it's also possible that we can see more new all-time high in short term if BTC can recover again and we see a good high for meme coin and crypto market. Then in short term definitely we can see more with new all-time high here. Okay, because we are too close to kill is zero. You can see friends, Bitget is listed, Kraken and Coinbase is listed. So these are some major syntax and listing for more. You can see friends, Bitget and Get.io, MEXE, Kraken, Coinbase. It already lists this coin because Coinbase native chain base ecosystem meme coin also. So this is good. If you know if MEXE and Get.io account it, I provide you both central exchange links in description. You can join both central exchanges because you can buy all newly launched meme coins before listing on major central exchanges here. Francis Borg is currently around $380 million market. But friends, still we have a mega bullion ahead, so definitely it's possible that in this year's super cycle meme coins mega bullion we can see more in multi-billion dollars market cap. Okay, because this is one of favorite Murad category meme coin. Murad's one of favorite meme coin and best ecosystem meme coin already listed in Coinbase, so definitely it's possible that Binance listing can be soon. Okay, maybe Binance can list this coin, okay, in next month or maybe a month later. But it's definitely possible that we can see its listing on Binance, and after Binance listing, this coin can make new all-time high in short term. In long term, okay, in super cycle meme coins mega bullion, I think Morg has potential to reach at least 10 to 15 billion dollars market, because this bull run will be much bigger than previous bull run. And we have lots of bad days in crypto market recently due to tariff news, and after that many other bad news. So definitely this mega bullion will be much bigger than our expectations. So definitely it's possible that this meme coin can be the next 10 to 15 billion dollars market cap. And first I think because we are too close to kill is 1 0 right now, and I think Morg has still potential to kill two more zeros. Okay, total three zeros from its current price. Okay, and by the end of mega bullion I think Morg can be with just three zeros. So this is my price prediction for Morg. This video is no any financial value. If you're making investment in Morg, do your own research and then invest here. And friends, you can also join my Telegram channel where I provide you all latest crypto updates here before on YouTube channel. And if you like my content and you want to support Sky Crypto channel, then I have also provided these all my crypto addresses links in description. Okay, you have to just copy these addresses and you can support Sky Crypto channel for the next 1000x potential meme coins.